So today I'm going to show you how to put your Maytag Commercial Washer into quick test mode. And to do that, you have to have your washer in the standby position, everything hooked up, plugged in. You have to set the selector position to the 12 o'clock straight up on the mixed load, and you have to wait a few seconds. To put this washer in test mode, or to put it in service mode, you go left, right, right, left, right. And if you're successful, all of these lights will start flashing, and then you know you're in test mode. To go into the quick test mode, you want to toggle this switch until just the final spin light is lit. And then we'll press start, and then we'll go through the... So the first step is that the lid will lock, and it'll immediately activate the cold water valve for 60 seconds. Then it'll switch the hot water valve on for 10 seconds. This step, the shifter moves into the agitate position. This should take 5 to 15 seconds. And then it'll agitate for 10 seconds. This is the drain sequence. It'll drain until it detects an empty tub. This step, the machine will shift into spin position. Should take 5 to 15 seconds. This is the spin sequence. It should spin for 10 seconds. Now it'll go to a coast. This should take about 30 to 45 seconds. The final step is that the tub will come to a complete stop, the lid will unlock, and the cycle complete light should be on. And to exit test mode, you would simply just open the lid and it'll revert back to standby mode.